Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to adjust the column word in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Step 1. Go to column, see this cursor and move anywhere. Select all, then move. Or select multiple. Apply the same process. Hold Control. OK. And step 2. Right click, select single column or multiple column, all column as you wish. Example, right click on your mouse, resize column B and enter your pixels. Example, 18. And step 3, double click to this column, then autofill, or right click, resize column, fit to data. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.